Hey everyone, how are you doing today? If you're exploring binary auctions trading, you've likely come across Pocket Auction. Yes, but the big question is, can we trust this platform? Let's dive in and find out. Pocket Auction is a binary options trading platform that has been operating for over 10 years. Here's why more than 100,000 traders choose it. Well, I think it's the biggest number of traders of any platform, really. So, first of all, it's available worldwide. $50,000 demo account to practice risk-free. Over 100 trading assets, currency, crypto, stocks, commodities. Wow. Fast deposits and withdrawals. For me, this is the most important one. And is no hidden fees. And it's 50 plus payment methods. Sounds good, right? Let's discuss platform features. Pocket Auction provides powerful tools for an optimized trading experience. You can find everything there. User-friendly interface, perfect for both beginners and pros. Flexible trading options like classical, binary auctions, quick trades, and much more. Educational resources, webinars, trading strategies, platform guides, fast and secure transactions. As I said before, it supports crypto, bank transfers, and e-wallets. 50 plus methods. Imagine this. Let's discuss regulation and security. Pocket Auction is an officially registered broker. This is important. This is operated by Infinity Trade, registered in Costa Rica. Licensed International IBC Regulation Act 2014. Data protection. SSL encryption ensures safe transactions. Compliance. Follow strict KYC and AML policies to prevent fraud. Okay guys, let me tell you about my personal experience on Pocket Auction. Why do I trust this platform? I've been trading here for more than 5 years, I guess, and I've already made 5-figure profits on this platform. Of course, I trust them. I withdraw money multiple times, and I have videos proving this on my channel. You can check it. Pocket Auction charts are identical, which is important, to those on Forex.com, TradingView, Enlisting.com, etc. I've tested them. My farms are always secure, which is highly important for me. For this year's, not even 1 cent goes somewhere. My students also trade on Pocket Auction, and in all these years, I haven't heard a single complaint about any service or anything. Pocket Auction has always been transparent and reliable, which is why I continue to trade there and make money here. And let me repeat again. Fast and easy withdrawals. That is something what every trader looking for. Multiple withdrawals auction, crypto, bank transfers, e-wallets. 50 plus methods, guys, 50 plus. It's also the quick processing as long as you complete the verification process. Follow KYC rules for a smooth transaction experience. Important. If you follow the platform guidelines, withdrawals are hassle-free. It's easy, and I explain this process in 2 of my videos on this channel. Go and check this process step by step. It's really easy. So, final verdict. Should you try it? Honestly, Pocket Auction is a trusted, transparent, and just one of the best, the biggest platform I have used for trading. If you're looking for a safe and easy way to trade, just start with demo account, for example. Of course, I will leave all the links in description below. Just go there and enjoy your trading. So guys, if you found this video helpful, this video review, please, you know what to do with these buttons, and subscribe also to my Telegram channel. I'm waiting for you there. I'm not a good promoter, to be honest. I just share with you today my personal experience about this platform for trading. You can share with me in comments below if you use Pocket Auctions and what you think about this here. And now I want to go and trade and make more money. Peace. See you in the next video.